Hey there, are you looking to build a thriving Amazon business? If you are, then stay with me. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we can launch 100 products on Amazon for you in a very short time span, right? Now, why would you want to launch 100 products? Well, it's a heck of a lot better than launching one product, right? One product is one profit center. Right? When I say profit center, I mean one place where you can make money, one product that you can sell to make profit. If you have 10 products, essentially those 10 products are profit centers, right? You have 10 things that enable you to make a profit. If you have 100 profit centers, 100 products, it gives you 100 possibilities, 100 products where you profit from. Okay, so the reason why people get involved in launching 100 products is they want to build a proper product range. 10 pet products, 10 fitness products, 10 kitchen products. They want to do 10 baby products, right? They want to do 10 homewares products. Maybe they're interested in doing cooking or kitchen products, right? The reason they get involved in building out ranges is they're building a proper business that not only, number one, they can profit on, but also something potentially that they can sell further down the line. All right, so if you're interested in building a thriving Amazon business with a proper product range, then listen up. This is exactly what we do, all right? We build out and launch 100 products on Amazon in a very short time span. So we handle everything technical, the copy, the images, the headline, the descriptions, right? We build out the entire Amazon listing. We guide you on the types of products, right? We get feedback. You can book in unlimited calls with me in a 2-year period. So unlimited coaching in 2 years, right? That's simply unheard of in this industry, right? So you can get instant feedback. We can give you product ideas. We can expedite the process of you choosing the products that you want to sell. And then we launch them. So we guide you on finding suppliers. We could even potentially help find the suppliers for you, okay? And then we launch it. So we do all the work. We get these products up and running as soon as possible on Amazon, essentially so you can start profiting. All right. Now, what is the main drawback? What is the main reason why people don't do this themselves? They simply don't have the time or the expertise. They don't have the time to find 100 products to launch. They don't have the time to find to basically launch the product themselves. All right. That's where our team, who do this every single day, that's where our team get involved and do all of this for you. And like I said, if you're short on product ideas, right? I can give you product ideas. We can find product ideas together, right? We can actually do some research with you and find ideas together, okay? Then our team get involved and basically launch the product for you. If you'd like to find a little bit more information around this video, there's a link with a little bit more information. You can have a chat with one of our team. They can send you a bit of an info pack, and basically let's just have a conversation to find out whether or not this is for you, all right? So 100 products we launch. You have unlimited coaching for a 2-year period. You can jump on the phone every week, every day if you want, to discuss product ideas and your business. And most importantly, you're building a business where you have up to 100 products essentially that you profit on, but also you have a business that is viable. You have a business where potentially people look at your business and go, they've got 100 products in their product range. That's profitable, right? If you look at Kmart or Target, do you think Kmart or Target would have an interest, someone would be interested in buying their business if they had just one product? No, but they've got thousands of products, right? They've got thousands of products. So people look at that and they see opportunity, all right? So if you have any questions, like to give us a call, you're more than welcome. The number's on the screen, the number's above here on the website as well, right? But book in a chat. It's a no obligation chat. Let's find out a little bit more about what you're looking to do and whether or not we can help you with this. But I would love to get involved. I would love to help you find your product ideas. I would love to launch 100 products for you and build out a thriving Amazon business, all right? Talk to you real soon. Bye for now. See you later.